Good morning. Welcome back to Pine City Apiary. I'm Paul. Today we're just going to check to make sure the queens have been released from their queen cages on the new packages we installed 2 days ago, and remove those cages. We're going to remove the cages. If they've not been released, I'm going to go ahead and physically release them today. We're going to take off the can feeders that came with the packages and put on glass bottles of the sugar syrup that we make here. And I've got a little bit extra, so I'm going to take a look at the top bars and see if they need any refills, just to get it down to where I don't have any syrup left so I can make some more. So Junior's ready, so let's do this. We're going to start off by giving them just a little bit of smoke. They probably don't even need it, but it's better to have it and not need it than the other way around. Alright, there's still a little bit of syrup left in here, so I will let them keep it. And when I mean let them keep it is I'm going to mount it so that they can get at it. Let's give them okay, they're already building cross combing here, so it's a good thing we didn't let this go too long. I'm going to work my way over there. Here you can see they're drawing out comb. They've got nectar in there, or probably sugar water, but it could be nectar in there already. This is the comb that we gave them. You can see they've already attached it. Alright, so we're going to take the queen cage out. And it's empty. I was a little bit concerned because when I pushed the screw on this to get the cork out, the cork went in, so I was afraid it would fall and plug up the hole. But then I put this one in backwards, so we'll fix that. And since we got it open, I'm going to look at and like I said, they've attached the comb. Alright, that was really more than I had planned on doing. So let me get them put back together and get them spaced out correctly. All right, so this is Langstroth hive left, and the queen is out. So that's looking good. We're going to give them going to use the queen cage to kind of block up that hole. There's the hole being blocked up. Okay, we're going to do the same thing here for Langstroth hive right. Practically empty. Wow. This is the queen cage. A lot of bees in there still. But the queen bee isn't one of them. So that's encouraging. No, they've got this really full of nectar. They're building a lot of new comb. All right, so we're going to put them back together. Do the same thing here with the queen cage. Use that to block up that entrance. All right, I gotta make some more syrup. Okay, so today we checked and found both of the queens have been released, so that's good. Didn't see the queen, but I didn't spend a lot of time looking either. I would expect our next visit in about a week or so. We should find eggs or even brood. So we'll check at that time for that, and hopefully find the queen if we can. It's not imperative right now to find the queen. We just got to make sure that she's still here. So that's our goals moving forward. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Thumbs up are super cool, and you too can be super cool if you give me one. Do you know what else is super cool? That's right, subscriptions. Good job. Have you subscribed to this channel yet? If not, why not? I've been making YouTube videos now since 2016, and I would really love it if you could join me on this adventure. It doesn't cost you anything, and it means a lot to me. So when you subscribe, and you really should subscribe, be sure to click on that bell, and that'll give you notifications every single time I upload new video. So, as always, thank you for watching. Have a great day.